bestie. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, this is going to be a maintenance vlog. This weekend is in fact New Year's, so this is what I'm getting ready for. As you see, nothing is done right now, nothing at all. So today, this probably be the course over like 2 or 3 days. Today I have to get my oil change in my car first of all and put air in my tires and all that so that I can drive to Houston safely. Then I'm going to go get my nails done on my toes and on my fingers. I'm just getting plain white, like I'm not getting any acrylic, I'm just getting plain white. I want to see how I like that because I really don't like acrylics. I don't know, it's just me. I don't know. I let a nail tech do my nails and like it just made me hate acrylic even more than I already do. Like it was so messed up. Like I don't want it to be messed up anymore, like ever again. And acrylic irritates me anyways. So I kind of grew my nails out so that they'll be like a good length so that I can get them painted. So yeah, I'm just gonna get them painted white, and then my toes are just gonna be white. And then oh my god, and then the lady that does my lashes is out of town, so I'm gonna have to do my own lashes, which is fine. I can do them, but I just, you know, I wanted to get them done. But yeah, that's what this video is gonna be. So if you want to come with me to all my appointments, keep watching. Okay, so I'm in my car now. This is really bad lighting. I'm in my car now. The first thing I have to do is go get a car wash so I can vacuum out my car and everything because it's so dirty. Like my dog has dog hair everywhere. But I bought this car mount so I can record while driving. But I don't know how to, maybe I should read the directions. I wasn't gonna read the directions. And it's so hot out here. Can you believe it's freaking December? Like, and it's 80 degrees outside. But like, how am I supposed to? Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, so I think I figured it out, but it's not on my windshield, it's on my dashboard, which I like better. But like, still, this was telling me to put it on my windshield, and I put it on my dashboard. Anyways, so yeah, the first thing I need to do is go to the car wash my car, vacuum on my car because it needs it really bad because my dog was in here acting a fool. So that's what I'm gonna do first. First, I'm gonna get everything out of my car that I don't need though. So, see, this is his blanket, and it just has like so much dog hair on it. Oh my god. I'm so glad I got this up and running though. Like I love it. Woo! So excited. It looks so good. Why are you shaking like that, girl? Cause it's a car.
Push roll, glass full, I prefer the better things. Niggas with no money act like money isn't everything. I'm headed.
I'm so excited for this tripod. I'm gonna get some done. So fun. I feel like a real YouTuber.
I'm at the car wash now.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
First things first, we got this lovely new computer right here.
For set fee, your club membership entitlement.
There you go. Get your
You are now
full
ready
service.
to enter the
Happy
car
New
wash.
Year.
You
Please
too.
proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you for the car wash.
I always hate this part when you have to get your car on the like right track. I hate that part so much. It's so embarrassing. Why is this so hard to turn?
Narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Cut through, chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Put up to legitimate in Cali. Static, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run up with the package. I just put it back on the way to.
Okay, so I'm recording on my phone now because my freaking camera died. But I got my car wash, I have my oil changed, and I'm going to get my nails done. Now, I live on base, and like a military base, so like the area that I'm in, there's no good nail places anywhere. So that's another reason why I'm not getting acrylic, because I do not have time for them to mess up my nails. So hopefully, I know they do a good job with pedicure, but so yeah, that's where I'm at. It's literally everything is in the same vicinity. And it looks like they got a lot of people in there, so it looks like I'm gonna be working. I mean, I should have my AirPods, like freaking did it.
The back got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, Herman's and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. The narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo.
Okay, so I just finished getting my nails done. As you can see, it is now dark outside, but yeah, I just got regular white nails on my real nails because I hate acrylics, and then just regular white toes. So now what I'm about to do is go get some McDonald's because your girl's hungry. I'm gonna go get some McDonald's and then just call it a day. I'm gonna go home and pack my bag and stuff like that. So yeah, the next time I will see you guys is tomorrow when I'm on my way to Houston. Hey y'all, it is the next day. I'm at my cousin's house in Houston. This is the outfit for the day. It's a little like workout set type vibe. I just took a shower and now I'm getting ready to blow dry my hair and go to my hair appointment. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. Yeah, I already have the cash to give her and everything. So I just need to get there and she just needs to be able to grip my hair. Because she said that hair has to be 2 inches for knotless. Babe, my hair is more than 2 inches, but it's still kind of short, but it's really soft. You know what I mean? Okay, so now I'm on the way to my hair appointment. My hair appointment is at 11:30, and the place is like 40 minutes away, so I should be there in good time. And there's no traffic out here, which is surprising. Which is a surprise. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to my hair appointment. Alright, so I'm in my hotel room now. This is my hair. I just want to show you guys. It's actually like a day or two later. But yeah, this is my hair. I got small knotless, and it's getting very much what it's supposed to go. But this is gonna be kind of a short video since I didn't do my eyebrows. I didn't feel like doing my eyebrows. But what I am going to do is my lashes, and then I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm gonna go take pictures. And then that'll just be the end of this vlog. See, this is why I shouldn't have cut my hair, because my hair is so short that it can't even stay in braids. Like, I just got these done 2 days ago. What are you doing, sis? But yeah, this is the hair. Giving very much butt. But yeah, so what I'm about to do now, I'm about to get in the shower real quick. I'm gonna get out, do my lashes, my makeup, go take pictures, and call it a video. So yeah, let's get into this. Good thing I brought my handy dandy scrunchies so I can tie my hair. And it's really lightweight. And I've never had, actually I lied. I was gonna say I never had braids this small before, but I have. I just haven't had them this long. See, I'm about to get in the shower and then I'll be back. Is this stream? Is it crackhead? I think it's crackhead. Alright, so I just got out the shower. I have this gray dress that I have on. This is gonna be what I'm taking pictures in. So yeah, now I have to do my makeup and my lashes because I look bald lash and my skin is really bad right now. But you know what, it's okay. So I think I told y'all my last girl, she was out of town, and I couldn't get my lashes done, which is a bummer, but I'm okay because your girl can do her own. So the way I do it, I take these individuals that have, y'all see what I'm saying? It's not like the individual, it's just trios, the trios. I take the trios and I do my lashes like that. And I'm gonna be using this hair glue because the girls that get it and the girls that don't. I don't really have a close-up mirror that I can use. Yep, no, I don't have one. So we're just gonna have to wing it. I saw Spider-Man for the first time yesterday. For the first time yesterday. And it was good, but I do not like the ending, girl. I do not like the ending. If you didn't see it, skip this part because I'm about to spoil it. They knew they could have let Zendaya remember. They knew they could have let Zendaya remember him at the end. And that's why I'm mad, because what's next? Like, I need a part 2. I need to No Way Home part 2. Like, I need them to remember each other and get back together. Like, what? Like, they need to have an ending for real, because if they don't, I don't know, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do though? I have no idea. But yeah, I take the lashes and I get some glue and I just dip it in the glue as so, and I just, oops, hold on girl, and I just put some under my lashes. Say hello to my vlog. My video. But guess I'm wearing the same dress as I wore last year. I'm doing my lashes right now. But I called to discuss what you want to do today. But you gotta have a fit on if you go in there. Like, when you're going thrifting, you gotta have a good old fit on, cause then they be like, did you hear that? Yes. Girl, something in the toilet trying to come up and get me. Oh my god, it scared me. I don't know what I'm about to do because it's freezing outside, and you know how us girls get, the color be changing. Our colors be changing. Huh?
I'm gonna go shower.
Okay.
But you have something.
You know how us girls get, our color be changing in the winter and it's not fair. So, I'm trying to see what color. Like, I don't know. This is gonna be too light and this is gonna be too dark. And I don't really mix well. Like, I'm not a makeup girl. Don't bash me. But I don't know how to do makeup, and I don't know, my face is really bad right now. Oh, I didn't do my eyebrows. I'm all over the place. I'm not gonna do this anymore.
Step across the water glass. Cars out, got me big out for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Till it's all family, to run off with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. Fuck around, watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Jiggy chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a bike, going straight.
Can I take you home right now? My lashes are so messed up. It's. I don't know how to fix it.
This color don't match either.
Luego, we'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, no. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, no, I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Jiggy chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a bike, going straight to the middle.
Okay, I have a big problem. I left my shoes that I was gonna wear for that outfit. I left them in my car. I did. So I'm gonna have to save that outfit for later today to take pictures. And I'm gonna have to just take pictures in this really quickly. And then I'm probably just gonna put that outfit on later. That's so horrible though. That's so bad. Like, girl, I was not thinking. I thought that I had them in my suitcase, but I most definitely did not. Ow. I definitely thought I had them in my suitcase, but I most definitely did not. Okay. Then because I'm not going out there to come back in. Ooh. I'm not going back out there to come back in because no. If I go back out there, it's because I'm leaving. You know what? I give up. I'm gonna take pictures in this outfit and call it a day. Check out this hotel and go about my business. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching this video. See y'all later.